Hi. Today I'm going to tell you about calculating powers and roots on the calculator. So not only squares and square roots, but all sorts of roots and powers.
Right.
If we want to calculate powers and roots, we'll see how this works. We can have 2 squared. Right now there is a squared button, so we put 2 and we press the squared and we get 4, because this just means 2 times 2. What if we want 2 cubed? That will be 2 times 2 times 2. And we've even got a cubed button. So we'll clear it, we press 2 cubed, we press the equals, and we get 8. What if we want 2 to the 4th? Well, now we have to use this button. See, we've got the X and a little box here, and if we're in the maths input-output mode, a little box will come. But I think we might be in the line mode, so we press 2 here, and now we want 4, close the brackets, press the equals, and we get 16. In fact, we can have 2 to the anything. 2 to the 10th, 2, 10, and we get 1024. It doesn't have to be 2, we can raise anything to any power. Let's put it into maths input-output so we can see it with the little box, and let's go 5, and now we're using the exponentiation button or the power button, putting it here. Now see, we get the little box and we put 10, press the equals, and 5 to the 10th is equal to 9,765,625. Right, now, what if we want to calculate roots? Okay, what if we want to calculate the square root of 4? Okay, so here is the square root. Now we're going to get the box. We put 4, press the equals, we get 2. What if we want the cube root? Well, we've even got a little button for the cube root. We press Shift and then the cube root button. And now, what about the cube root of 8? The cube root of 8, you can probably guess, you should be able to guess, is equal to 2. Notice when we have no numbers here, that means square root. If we have a 3 here, it's the cube root. Okay, notice 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. The cube root of 8 is 2 because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. What do you think the 4th root of 16 will be? Whoops, not the 14th root, the 4th root of 16. All right, let's go back to line. So we have the 4th. Now we need to use this one. 4th, we press Shift, that one, and now it's telling us 4th root. Don't worry about the X being there, that's just what it puts. And we put 16, close the brackets, press the equals, 2. All right, so we can do the 10th root of 1024, and you should be able to guess what that is. 10th root, press the Shift. Now, this little button here, which tells us any root of 1024, and we get 2. All right, what about the 6th root of 64? Okay, 6, this one again, the 6th root of 64, and it is again 2. Okay, you can do it with any number. I just kept 2 so that you might learn some powers of 2, but try it with any other numbers as well.